Hello students, this is one more assignment for you. This is done in HTML. In this assignment, I have used only HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and there is no any MySQL database or any PHP script. Only I have done through JavaScript. What you have to do here in this assignment, this is, as you can see here, student details. We need to give student details like this: select course, then email ID and contact number. And after click on add update button, table will be shown here with the same record details. As you can see here, first name, last name, course, gender, email, contact and operation. So I'm inserting another one, Ramesh, party, then course, I'm selecting here MBA, then gender, and if I'm not giving any email or contact, and if I click add, then validation is there, email is missing, contact is missing, email is invalid, contact is invalid. So I'm giving here some numbers or some text, and then click on add. Then this is not missing but invalid email and invalid contact. So validation is also done here. So we need to give correct email ID like this, and then after click on add, contact is also we need to give correct. If all of the details are correctly given, then only record will be added into this table. All this is done by using JavaScript, and there is no any PHP script and a MySQL database, as I have told to you. Then after click on edit button, the same record will be shown in the above form. And if I want to change any contents like this, and if I want to change some, and then click on the same button, add update, then the details have updated, as I have updated course and contact of Archana, it will be updated here. Then again I will show you Ramesh, and the correct email ID is this, and if I update, then the details are updated here as well. So this is your assignment. If I want to delete anyone's record, then I can delete it. If I click on OK, then only the record will be deleted, otherwise not. So record will be deleted from this table as well. If I want to delete this one, if I click on cancel, then record will not be deleted from the table. So this is the assignment regarding add, update, delete records from the table of HTML. This is the temporary data stored in JavaScript arrays, and this is not the permanent data. If you want to add, update, delete operation on permanent database, then you need to store data into MySQL and fetch or access it by using any server-side scripting language like PHP. So this is your assignment regarding CORD operations by using JavaScript. So try to do it by your own, and all the best. Thank you.